here at the Moxie ST. This is a stationary machine, meaning I'm moving the fabric. So this would be the same as if you're stitching on your domestic machine at home too. You'd use the same technique. I'm going to show you how to use a ruler. So I'm using the multi-clamshell ruler here. I'm going to start at the bottom of my design. So I'm going to stitch a few of these going over, and then I will move back and stitch some more just to show you guys how to do this. I have also put the Surefoot on here. Now remember, when you are stitching this, you're actually stitching a 1/4 inch away from the edge of this ruler. So you'll need to adjust things accordingly, and there's markings on the ruler that can help you out with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure that I'm starting down there, and then we're gonna go ahead and stitch around this. Get down here to the bottom, stop, and then I will move the ruler over and go ahead and stitch the next one. Now this is a little bit of a slower process using rulers, but the really great thing is that it is very precise. Okay, from here I'm going to stitch straight up so that I can stitch the 1/4 of a circle that I need to stitch right here. Now I know that I'm going to stitch down to this line that goes across right here. So I need to go up just a little bit so that that is lined up there, and we'll stitch down so that we just touch the top of that previously stitched clam, and then I want to line it up so that that line is right there, and we'll go ahead and stitch around it. Do that next one. Be really careful I don't go out for ice cream, as Christina likes to say. And then I'll do my next one, keeping even pressure. And then I'll do my last one here. And I'm just going to go to the top of the marking here on the ruler, and that's where the edge ends there. So that's how you stitch out a clamshell with rulers. For me, I find that it works best if you start at the bottom and work your way up. And remember, slow and steady definitely wins the race using rulers.